Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, by the look of me, you can tell what it's going to be. But I'm gonna do another DIY life hack kind of video for you guys. So yeah, so if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencer. I do a lot of makeup videos, product reviews, DIY, life hacks, craft, anything you guys want to see, I do. So in today's video I am actually going to try something which I saw on TikTok. So if you don't know, I'm on TikTok too. I'll write down the account details in the description box below. It's DIY. I actually saw it on TikTok and I was like really curious to try it. I have tried this particular ingredients individually but never actually tried it combined together. So today I'm going to show you if this works or not. So the hack is, or the DIY mask is for the hair, and it's to make your hair looking less like rough and dry and frizzy. It's supposed to make your hair look nice and silky and healthy. So you only need two ingredients for this mask, which is really nice, and I think you probably will have these ingredients in your household. If you're not, you're a freak, man. Everybody has these ingredients in their house. So anyway, so let's just get into this video and I'll show you what this mask is and I'll tell you the ingredients and we're gonna put it on my hair. Okay, so you only need two ingredients for this: eggs and yogurt. And I am actually didn't want to do this particular process in my beauty room and make a huge mess, so I already prepared the mask in the kitchen. So basically you need 2 full eggs and a big heap of like tablespoon of yogurt. Now I didn't had like a normal natural yogurt or anything. I just had Greek yogurt, so I just used that. I don't know if that makes a difference or not, but we'll find out. But I'm assuming if it had yogurt has to have to be like a normal yogurt or like a fat yogurt, so you can use that creaminess from the yogurt as like one of the moisturizing ingredient. But if you are using the 0% fat or low fat, you're not gonna have that texture, that moisturizing like ingredient in your yogurt, so it might not work. It might work best if you use a natural yogurt, or even if you're using Greek yogurt, it's not low fat. So I just put 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 2 full eggs, and I have just mix this together in a bowl. So I have tried the yogurt and the both eggs separately in my hair, and I know they work, but I never actually tried it combined together. So we're just gonna do it today. Okay, so before I do this, I'm gonna quickly brush my hair, and I don't have my brush here, so let me just grab that. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. So I have my brush. I'm just gonna, my hair is, I will say, kind of like semi-dirty. They're not really dirty, but they are due for a wash. So I'm gonna brush them out, and I'm gonna, right now I'm not really sure how I want to do this, because I'm not kind of person who's gonna do this process very neatly and nicely and all that. I will more focus on the actual mask to go all over my hair, even if I have to like messing my hands, make a huge mess or something. I don't know, so we'll figure out. But I am going to part my hair in 2 sections, so it's easy to do. And I'm gonna put this part in a bun. I'm gonna work on this side first, because I have a very frizzy hair. I do have quite a bit not really too bad, but still have some split ends as well. And my hair is falling way too much lately, like way too much. My hair used to grow really nicely and very quickly, but from past couple of months they are not growing as fast as I would like. Okay, so this mask, you should definitely do it. Leave the ingredients out of the fridge before you make this mask because it is super cold. I hope I'm not gonna catch cold or something because of this. Okay, so I'm gonna do my middle section first. I don't think so you can do this particular thing with the brush because it will be super messy. Alright, I'm gonna quickly apply this mask all over my scalp first, and then I'll do the longer strands afterwards. So basically I'm just parting up my hair and I'm gonna just apply this all over my scalp first. I'm already making a mess. I wish you guys can see, but my table is like already covered with yogurt. Okay. Right. So I'm gonna apply this all over my hair, and I'm gonna fast forward this process for you guys because I have no idea how long this is gonna take. Okay, now I have the mask all over my hair. Just going to quickly massage my scalp. So making sure this goes right into my scalp as well. And now I am going to tie my hair. Oops. This is so messy. I have no idea how people do this DIY videos in their studios. I have no idea. But anyway, so I have my hair all tied up pretty much. I can feel the yogurt on my neck, on my face. Okay. So you're supposed to leave this for 20 to 30 minutes. So when I watched the hack, it didn't say you have to cover your hair or you have to put a shower cap or anything. So I'm gonna leave it as it is as well because I want to follow the hack to the point before I can actually see the try my things or my personal choices or something. But I want to try the hack to the point. So yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it on as it is. I'm gonna for 20-30 minutes. We're gonna fast forward that bit. So yeah, I'll catch you in 30 minutes. Okay guys, so I just washed my hair. So it's looking super duper. It feels really soft. Don't know about how it's gonna look when they dry. So I haven't applied anything yet. So what I'm going to do is, the only thing usually what I do apply in my hair straight after wash is my Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. So I'm just gonna take some of it on my palm and literally just going to run through my hair. I do this all the time because I am a huge fan of Aveda products. For my hair, they work really well. I have been using Aveda product since 2005, so it's been a long time. And I'm also going to take this the other side. So my hair, this is how it's looking so far. I'm gonna wait for it to, like, I'm gonna air dry it. I don't like to dry them, like, blow dry that much, because I do have a lot of frizzy hair. I just try not to use that much of a heat on my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna let them air dry, and before I do anything like straightening or anything, I'll show you how it's looks. Pretty much dry, and you can see I have brushed my hair just before start filming. So after brushing it, without the brushing, it's still a little frizzy. I told you before as well, I have way too much volume in my hair. My hair is not totally fully dry, so but this is my natural hair. This is how it looks. They are super duper like voluminy, like a lot of volume in my hair, and they are a bit frizzy, but I do like the feel of my hair. It is feeling really nice and really soft. I do notice like it's not like very too many tangles and everything. It feels, and look wise, to me it looks a little shiny. It's not looking as rough as it usually looks. So I am quite impressed with this mask. I probably will I'm gonna try to use this like at least once a week and see what would be the long-term effect, but this definitely works. So this DIY mask is definitely a thumbs up. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about any products I used in this video, you can always leave them in the comment section below, and I'm happy to answer all your questions. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and yeah, stay safe, stay happy, stay indoors, and I shall see you guys next time in some new look or new video or a new product review. Love you all. Take care. Bye guys.